Every day is something different.
It's a good place to grow because they listen you.
There's a lot of benefits for you to come here. They're always looking for a talent like yours.
The Hartland facility manufactures flush syringes, PVP iodine bottling, surgical scrub brushes, disinfectant wipes, and shampoo and body wash products. What we're looking for in our hiring efforts at Hartland is people who have mechanical aptitude, strong work ethic, and a desire to do great things.
I came in with zero machine operating experience. Became a lead, became a PM supervisor, and then production supervisor. There's plenty of growth opportunities here.
I love the people, I love everything.
What we're making here helps save lives in the end.
I love coming to Medline every single day.